Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hellertown, or 7 miles southeast of Allentown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Bethlehem, Ewing, Quakertown, Perkasie, Byram, Bedminster, Hellertown, Flemington, Tinicum, New Hope, Dublin, Ferndale, Frenchtown, Milford, Riegelsville, Stockton, Pleasant Valley, Washington Crossing, Revere, and Zionsville. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 42 and 49. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 61 and 72. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Flood advisory in effect until